Haunted U is an event for kids to come out. It's a day camp event. They can come out, they can experience a bunch of different types of science events in a really fun, what we like to call magical atmosphere, and to sort of highlight how a lot of science can be magical or can seem magical. So that I guess is the point of Haunted U. The Ghost was our way of tying each of the activities in each of the rooms together for Haunted U. I think sometimes the different rooms can seem a little bit disjointed, so to tie those together we want to create a central storyline, and it also helps to immerse kids more in the event. So aside from looking cool, the dry ice was a good activity because it taught them about the unique properties of solid carbon dioxide and the process of sublimation, how a solid turns directly into a gas, and then also a little bit about how temperature can really influence density. They just selected an owl pellet because owl pellets are an excellent way for researchers and kids as well to learn about what owls are eating. That was a chance for kids to do something that was very hands-on and also something that actual researchers might do to try and learn a little bit more about the world around them. The tea bags we did, again, it had to do a lot with air temperature actually. Tea bags are lit on fire. The hot air around the tea bag creates an upward current, so that rises up and moves the tea bag up off the ground. They did the baby soda bottles, again, because there was a little bit of a density lesson worked in there with the oil and the water. But you also have a polar, non-polar molecule lesson worked in. So with oil being a non-polar molecule and water being a polar molecule, those things generally don't mix, which is what creates the unique sort of lava lamp effect inside the little bottles. The Chem Demo Show, the beginning of the Chem Demo Show, served as our opportunity to wrap up the storyline. Nittany Chemical Society, who are the ones that put on the Chem Demo Show, were really accommodating in incorporating our characters into their skit, which was awesome, so we were able to use that to wrap up our storyline and then also to kind of continue it through their demo show a little bit. And it's a chance for another organization to get involved. We love to have student organizations get involved with our events. So Nittany Chemical Society, every year they arrange this event. They do an amazing job. And it's a chance for the kids to see really some of the neat things that you can do with chemistry, with science, that we're not able to do in the labs because they're a little bit dangerous or a little bit loud, or we don't have enough supplies for them to do them. So it's a chance for them to see some stuff that they probably wouldn't otherwise get to see. The tour at the end, again, was a chance for us to get students and faculty involved in the event. This is a unique event for us in that it's an event that we plan, program, and run ourselves. And we do really like to involve students and faculty in our events. So the Haunted Lab Tour is a chance for them to come out and present their research or present a unique activity that they've developed. And they get to present it not only for the campers, but also for the families, which is really cool. The campers get a full day worth of activities, but then the families get to come out and see some stuff as well, learn a little bit about what's going on at the university, meet some faculty and students, and hopefully take home some knowledge for themselves. So it's a chance for us to do some outreach and education, not just for the kids, but for some other people as well. When Haunted U is over, I just really hope they had a fun experience, because I think that is what science is really about. It's about the incredible joy and excitement that comes from discovery, so I hope that they take a little bit of that away from Haunted U. And I also hope that they get the relationship between magic and science. You know, science does seem magical a lot of the time, but there is always an explanation. So looking for those things in our world that seem magical and then searching for the scientific explanation behind them is sometimes what I think is the most exciting thing. So I hope they take a little bit of that with them when they leave.